Hello guys! So this is a quick update. Excited na talaga guys. We are passing halfway na po sa pinaka-expensive like flooring, beams, trusses, and roofing. So they are starting now up in the rooftop for the finishing like palitada. And now that's our terrace heading towards to our family area. So, and then we're gonna put that one a glass door and window, I guess. And then also, that's decent size of our family area there. And that door is heading towards to our bedroom number 4. And then, yan ang pinakamalaking bedroom guys sa lahat ng 4 bedrooms. So, and then, I guess we will put that one with Jason's exercise machine there. And then, the other back to the hallway is going towards to the 3rd bedroom, which is maybe that's a guest room. And that's very small size. So, and then the next one is heading towards to outside. Is the look at the other side. So where we'll put swimming pool soon. It's a small size para lang pag super hot si Jason ay mag-soaking there. So yeah, diyan sa kuya ay they're starting doing the finishing yung palitada. And that's our roof. We put insulation foam para to protect the super hot yung bahay. And then that's the roof. We use the rib-eye type roof green color. And they're doing the thick screw and putting the silicone guys. So yan ang update ngayon guys. And then soon they're doing from top to bottom yung finishing. Ayan sila guys. So next is magputting the installation yung door jamb and wiring. So there you go guys. Yun lang ang quick update namin. So thank you guys for watching and I hope we can see you in our next video for the next update. Bye bye.